Hey guys, NIT Surat has posted a recruitment notice for the positions of junior engineer. The total vacancies are 7 in number, 5 for civil engineering and 2 for electrical engineering. But the good news is that BTech guys are also eligible here. Okay, so let's see the notification. So 5 for civil engineering, the bifurcation is given here, and 2 for electrical engineering, and 2 whatever the seats are there for electrical engineering, they are for general category. Okay, and in civil engineering, one is for SC category, one is for OBC, and other 3 are for general category. Upper age limit is 30, and BTech guys can apply in this notification, in this position as well. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's discuss 2-3 important points. Yeah, so it's written that you have to apply online ही apply करना है, but जो receipt है application form की, that you have to download and send it to some address given here. Okay, I will post the link of this notification here. You will get the address from this notification. तो उसको post ज़रूर करना है. Okay, last date for submission of online application is 19th April, और ये portal is already opened. Okay, it is already open. You can go there and apply if you want to. And receipt of signed completed application at NIT Surat is 29th April. तो 29th April तक तुम्हें receipt भेजनी है NIT सूरत में. Okay, the envelope containing the application form must be superscribed as application for the post of junior engineer and application ID number. तो ऊपर envelope पे ये लिख देना है. ठीक है, तो पहली बात तो BTech guys are eligible. दूसरा, ऑनलाइन फॉर्म फिल करना है, उसको डाउनलोड करना है रिसीट को, जो भी उसका फॉर्म है, and then you have to send it to this address, this. Let me show you the address. Okay, it's this address. Okay, so on completion of uploading the online application form and its submission, please download a copy of the submitted application form and its enclosures, including the self-attested photocopies of the certificates mentioned above in this form. You can, in this notification, sorry, and you have to send it to this address. ठीक है, ऊपर लिख देना है कि किस पोजीशन के लिए भेज रहे हो, एनवेलप के ऊपर लिखना है, एंड एप्लीकेशन आईडी नंबर भी लिखना है. ओके, द प्रोसेसिंग फीस ₹1000 that you can see. Okay, so this is the schedule for the recruitment process, and the procedure for selection and syllabus pattern, everything will be intimated in due time. Okay, अभी कुछ intimate नहीं किया उन्होंने, but it will be communicated to you. See, it is clearly written that first class BE or BTech in civil engineering or electrical engineering for the position of junior engineer. This is the pay scale, and it's a nice pay scale. Age limit is 30 years. Okay, so if you are interested in this position, you may apply to it. Thank you.